Decoding the 9 to 5, Understanding Regular Work Hours. Hello, and welcome to today's English learning session. In this video, we're going to unpack the meaning of a very common phrase in the English-speaking workplace, the 9 to 5 job. Stick around to discover not just its definition, but also the implications it carries in the professional world and in popular culture. Whether you're a language learner or someone navigating the job market, this phrase is a key part of the vocabulary that you'll want to be familiar with. When we say someone has a 9 to 5 job, we're referring to a standard work schedule that typically starts at 9 a.m. and ends at 5 p.m. This term is synonymous with full-time employment and a routine that involves working approximately 8 hours a day, with a lunch break. The phrase paints a picture of a structured workday, commonly found in office settings and certain industries. While 9 to 5 describes a work schedule, it's more than just a timetable. It carries cultural connotations. In movies, TV shows, and songs, a 9 to 5 job might be portrayed as monotonous or uninspiring, reflecting a desire for more freedom or creative expression. However, it can also symbolize stability and reliability. Understanding these nuances is crucial when interpreting conversations or media content. It's important to note that not every job fits into the 9 to 5 mold. Many professions, especially in healthcare, hospitality, or tech, may require shifts that extend beyond these hours. Moreover, with the rise of remote work and flexible schedules, the traditional 9 to 5 is evolving. It's a term rooted in history but adapting to modern times. I hope this video clarifies what a 9 to 5 job entails and what it represents in different contexts. It's a phrase that goes beyond specifying work hours, reflecting various aspects of work culture and personal aspirations. Whether you're mastering the English language or exploring job opportunities, understanding phrases like these will enrich your comprehension of the workplace narrative. Thank you for watching, and I wish you success in your language learning journey.